Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I've decided to share with you this time a clip on the Dow Industrial Average and the Dow Transportation Average. I think you will like that. It is coming from a very long video I've just recorded for my subscribers. It's a 78 minutes video covering many markets. You will see me introducing them. And I also sent my subscribers 59 charts that went with that video. I think that if you like to try out my service, there are many options, and please stay on after the clip ends. I'll talk to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great weekend. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen some interesting moves. We have seen the bonds taking a pretty serious knock, and we have seen a very strong rebound in the stock market. The dollar has been still range bound, and the grains, some of the grains have displayed a remarkable bearish turn. I will go through many charts and try to elucidate the patterns the best way that I can. Here's the long list of charts that I've got. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Danish kroner, US dollar Swedish kroner, US dollar Norwegian kroner, US dollar Singapore dollar, Australian dollar US dollar Canadian dollar, British pound US dollar. Then I'll have a look at the CRB, gold, silver, Brent crude, heating oil, light crude, the euro bond, that is September 2011, and then the continuous chart of the euro bond. Same with long yields. I'll also have a look at UST bond, September 2011, at TYX, at TNX, at TLT. I'll have a look at the S&P 100, S&P 500 cash. I'll look at the Dow Industrials, the Dow Transportation average, at the DAX, at IBEX 35 for Spain. I'll also take a look at corn, September 2011, and I'll terminate the video with a look at corn, the continuous chart, to give us the big picture. That's the Dow. That's the daily, and just look at that. Look what happened here. That's the 200 moving average. But look at that. Look at the jump. The Dow run up. So I'm really now in a position to suggest here a bullish wave count. Again, it's not high confidence reading, but I begin to lean towards this direction, and I think that we are going to get a film signal pretty soon, within I would say within a month, if not earlier. If this is going in the direction of a fourth wave, that's being an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D, another leaning, coming down to lean back on this line, and the next surge will be our fifth. Now imagine if this is to be taken as one, and that's two, that's a fourth. The fifth is not going to be an affair of 2 weeks. It's going to run and run and run. This is the thinking behind this wave count, and you can see here. In fact, the Dow corrected at a higher level than the S&P, if you remember, corrected at a higher level than the S&P 100 and the S&P 500. So the Dow is stronger from the relative price action here. So that is an A, that's a B, that's a C, that's a D, coming down to deliver the E, and up it goes. Okay, that's the Dow Transportation Average, the monthly scale, going back to 1998. Now, those of you who are interested in the Dow theory, if you're familiar with it, the Dow theory is very simple, that you get a signal when both of them trend in the same direction, then the trend is confirmed, is very strong, there is no doubt. If there is a divergence, then one of them is going to catch up, either reversing and giving us a long position or reversing into a short position. And right now, there is really not much to argue. What we are seeing here, we have seen the Dow racing up, no major signal to go down, so the trend is up. We're looking at the Dow Transportation average here, and we cannot be but impressed by the very powerful performance here on the monthly scale of the jump that it got from the support line running up. Do you see that? Look what happened. It just soared. And not only that, it actually ran above the top here. That appears to me like a classic ABC coming out of the triangle without going into very lengthy analysis of wave count that goes back decades. That appears like a clear fourth wave, a jump, an ABC, and up it goes again. For now, I am putting this labeling as a 1, 2, 3. I think we are in a fourth wave. We're in a fourth wave similar to what the Dow is doing. And when I show you the details, you will see why this looks like a very, very unlikely top. Basically, it doesn't look like a top. It looks like there is more coming on the upside. Let's see. Let's take the weekly now and look at the surge once it touched the line again. Look at that. Absolute surge. And you can see where it closed. Now, I have never seen in my life a market that topped like that. I could be wrong, and you know, there could always be surprises out there, but I've never seen in my life a market that topped and from such a thing and immediately crashed. Not in my life. Not the thousands and thousands of hours that I have been looking at the markets and the tens of thousands of charts that I have covered in my life. I have never seen a top like that. So here you are. That's what I can say. And I think that even if I'm getting wrong the 1, 2, 3 here or here, this is a price action that would lead to higher prices. There is absolutely no doubt in my mind. Now you see the line here. Only a solid break of this line would look like something that opens the gate for a bearish discussion. Then we can discuss the bearish case, because as long as it stays above this black line, there is absolutely no point whatsoever to discuss the bearish case in the case of the Dow Jones Transportation average. No point whatsoever. Okay, let's have a look here and look at this hook up. Look at this surge. There are several options here. As I mentioned, the third wave may have ended here or here. That could be an A, B, C, D. Might come down again towards the line to deliver the E and then surge up. Or that the third wave ended here. That's a 3, that's a 4. It's now running up in a 1, 2, 1, 2. There are several options, but I think that an immediate run in the coming week, opening Tuesday, immediate run above 5,600, continuing in this style, that would say most likely we'll be in a 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you go and you ask the opinion of the Dow Transportation average, you'll get a thumb up. The market is going higher. Okay, that's the DAX now. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. it is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.